Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to auto on off eye protection on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, okay, go to display and brightness. In display and brightness, okay, you can see the eye protection. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in eye protection, you can see the by sunset or sunrise. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if this turn on, intelligently identify the sunrise sunset time in your region to automatically turn on or off eye protection at the right time. And okay guys, you'll have to do to auto on off the eye protection is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or auto on off the eye protection on your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.